It's engineered with exceptional strength, productivity, efficiency, comfort, safety, and ease of maintenance. A closed box section revolving frame increases strength and reduces stress. It also makes this excavator highly resistant to impact damage. We've used strong parts to premium industry standards. In fact, the JCB JS175W wheeled excavator is designed to be comfortable, safe, ergonomic, simple, and intuitive to operate. Cushion boom and dipper ends prevent shock loadings, protect your machine, and increase operator comfort, while 6 viscous rubber mounts minimize noise and vibration. A 70/30 front screen split for a clear view forwards, plus a large laminated glass roof window provide these wheeled excavators with exceptional all-round visibility. Function switches are easy to reach and include the heater and climate control panels, while the side unit doubles as part of the immobiliser code selector. A JCB JS175W's reinforced boom and dipper is made of high tensile strength steel, with single-piece wrapper plates and internal baffle plates for long-life durability. The high-strength undercarriage of JS175W 17.5-ton wheeled excavators is of a fully enclosed, fully welded box section for long-term durability even in the most demanding applications, and the rigid upper frame provides maximum durability and support. The turret on a JS175W wheeled excavator is then welded to both the upper and lower undercarriage frames, and stiff, durable doors provide further strength.